man, this is my cherry. This is one I should have saved this for last, because this is one of the one when my mentor gave me this, I was blown away. I was like, oh, it makes so much sense. But a lot of project managers don't do it. And I'm telling you now, because I told you this was going to be different. This wasn't going to be your typical project management fundamentals. I got that video too, but I really wanted to touch and do some things that will really set you apart. And building reservoirs of trust before you need them is going to be important. What does that look like? Investing time in getting to know your team and stakeholders. Watch this, family, on a personal level. Yeah, on a personal level. Because what we have to understand is that yes, this is business. Yes, we need to conduct business appropriately, but I need to know who I'm working with. How can I know that who I'm working with? How can I build a relationship? Because I've always shared with you, you never know how in the future you may be working with that stakeholder again, and they're like, man, I really enjoy working with that project manager. I definitely want to jump on that project, even though I may be strapped over here, but I want to work because I know they're going to have my best interests at heart. So developing that trust, developing of getting to know each other a little bit better. And family, it starts with you as the project manager. Point number 8, the benefits of learning from other industries.